Hi guys, welcome here. Today I'll be taking you through another series, how to make ladies slide slippers. So it's not hard. So I'll be dividing it into sections. We have the sew creation, we have the top creation, and we have the molding, then finishing. So here from my table I'm trying to figure out or cut out the sew pattern, right? So you can see I just drew the sew pattern on the paper. I'm trying to cut it out, right? So the sew pattern will be having inner the inner section, that's your footrest, and the outer section. So I have my paper already. I have my sew pattern, the complete sew pattern, but I'm trying to bring out the inner sew pattern, that's the floor, right? As you can see on the paper now, I took the measurement of 1 centimeter to bring out this inner floor, right? That is 1 centimeter. So your complete sew pattern minus 1 centimeter will give you your inner pattern, right? You can see that as the inner sew. Yeah, so I have my inner sew and the normal sew, like, right now this is what I'm using for the outer sew, this black stuff. Yeah, this is a pattern ranking, so flat pattern ranking. So we have our Macko 6. There's a thick Macko. So you use your outer sew, trace it round. You're tracing left and right, left and right. So once you trace, you turn to get your left. You can see what I'm doing. So our shoes will having 3 layers. 2 layer will be combination of this Macko, right? Then the third layer will be the pattern ranking sew that you saw earlier on. So once you have your tracing left and right, you cut out using your scissors. Make sure you have a sharp scissors. Then you cut along the line, your tracing line, right? All you have to do is to join these 2 layers together. Now partly you're joining partly, so you're rubbing your gun, let's say 1 centimeter. All right, you can see that you rub it at the tip of your Macko to join together, so to aid your filing, so that everything will be in uniform. That's why you have to join them together partly. You partly join, you're not rubbing the gum all over. So have it in mind that you're going to, is from this one, and you remove your floor pattern. That is the complete sew pattern minus your 1 centimeter tracing round, right? So watch out. So you're joining the whole 3 layers now together for filing. Okay, so it's easy to do. First you have to join together. You have to cut out your pattern, your outer sew, right? You cut everything out, join them together partly. You're not joining them, you're not rubbing the gum all over the surface. You just rub the gun around the Macko and your outer sew. Now you see what I did. So we have 3 layers now, so I'm cutting out so it will be easy to file round. So you can see we have our 3 layers. So now is the complete set of this sew. It's easy, right? Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Please subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, drop your observations, ask your questions. So we have 3 layers now, and we are here in the filing room. Once you're done filing, all you have to do is detach. So now you see why I rub the gum partly. You have to detach. Now I'm bringing out my floor pattern now the floor pattern is the complete sew pattern minus 1 centimeter. So once you have your tracing out, you cut along your tracing slantly. Yo, it's easy. So I hope you're learning. Please drop a comment for me. Drop a comment. Right now I have my floor pattern. So the next stage is your wrapping stage. It's still part of the sew creation, but you have to wrap around. I'm using here I used 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So see that I'm trying to rub my gum thoroughly round the sides of my sew now, right? So I'm trying to wrap it, so watch out. Please share my video, tell somebody about my channel, share with your fellow shoemakers or people that are having passion for shoemaking, maybe someone that you know that love what I'm doing. Please share with them. And for my growth, also for the growth of my channel, please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe, even if they are not shoemakers. Just tell them to subscribe. If you enjoy my music, my work, my music, my explanations and everything. So now I'm wrapping the floor pattern, right? What do you observe? So just make sure you spread your gum very well, thoroughly. You have to spray, then allow for drying like I'm doing, right? Don't forget you're using fresh gum. Yeah, don't allow your gum to dry before you use it. It will spoil your work. So for neatness and you have to use fresh gum. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. I always say that. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment, like, and share the video. You can download my videos too. If you want personal lesson, I'm here for you. You can reach me on 0903 553 9885. So let's continue our lesson. Yeah, make sure you wrap and try as much as you can to have a smooth edge, right? Subscribe, like my video, drop a comment and share. Very important. So far, have you learned anything from here? Please tell me your mind in the comment section. So we're done with sew creation. We're going to top creation now. So I'll be using 4 centimeter to make my top. So my top will be a combination of foam and material. That is a fiance material, light black fiance material. So using my 4 centimeter wide and meter rule length, I draw out my pattern on the foam, cut them out. Once you have them cut, you wrap them, right? So watch out. So easy to do. Trust me, you can. So after just watch my video, please try and practice what you learn from here. That's what makes it important or essential for you to follow me or watch my videos anytime it drops. And if you have a challenge doing it, you can also reach me to me 090355398885. If you want to have a copy of your own or a pair of your own shoe, this particular one I'm doing, you can also reach out to me. So I'm trying to wrap now. Watch out. Yeah. Still wrapping. So after wrapping, we're using 3 of these wrapped stripes to knit the top. So we're going to knit the top. Once you're done knitting, then you mold, and this is the molding phase. You can see knitting. I just is it blading now, they say. So I just knit them, the three for one leg, 3 for the other, then you mold your shoe. Now this is size 39 that I'm doing. So using your last off, you mold. Now I have my top on my floor. So all you have to do now is joining my floor to my sole. That's what I'm trying to do. Tell me your observations, ask your questions where you have issues. Anyone you don't understand, please tell me. Right. So after drying, you place. I just did that. After placing, heat, apply pressure. Drop a comment, like, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Please share the video if you find it interesting. Share it in your groups. Share it at activities. Share it with your apprentice. Right. Now we are left with 2 faces of this video. So you will have to join these 2 layers of the sole to the final layer, the 3rd layer, which is the outer layer. Right. Let's see what I'm doing. Do you like my explanation? Is it simple enough to understand, or it's not? Tell me your mind, tell me your observations. Right, after drying, all you have to do is carefully learn how to place. This is how to place. Yeah, it's easy, right? Still placing. Right. Tell me where you're watching my video from, please. Where are you watching from? So, you have our shoe ready. I hope you love what you're seeing. And the aim of this video has been achieved. The shoes are nice, and we still have something to do. It's the finishing aspect. So you have to polish, clean around all those things, gum stain, you polish, right? Don't forget to share, please. Drop a comment for me. We have our final product. Yeah, hope you love it. Tell me your mind, tell me your observations, ask your questions, right? Thanks for watching. You can always reach out to me on 0903 553 9885. Thanks for watching. This is Shoe ABCs. ABC Shoes, sorry. Thank you. Bye.